Hello, friend.
Hello, hello.
Look up high.
The sky is blue.
Why is it blue?
Let's find out.
I send my light.
Light hits the air.
Air has tiny molecules.
Tiny bits like puzzles.
It is called scattering.
Light spreads out.
Like butter on toast.
Light spreads out.
Like butter on toast.
Blue light spreads most.
Blue light spreads everywhere.
The sky looks blue.
Who knew?
That is so cool.
Look, a rainbow.
Colors in the sky.
The sun goes down.
Light travels very far.
The blue fades away.
The blue fades away.
Now we see pink.
Now we see orange.
Let's guess the color.
Look at the sunset.
We see beautiful pink.
We see beautiful orange.
You are doing great.
You are learning lots.
Light spreads like butter.
Blue light spreads most.
The sky is blue.
Share what you learned.
See you soon, friend.
Bye-bye for now.